Welcome to QZenith video tutorials. Hi guys, hope you're doing great, and in this video I'm going to show you how to configure the virtual network in VMware Virtual Network Editor. So let's get started. So this is my VMware Workstation Pro, and then I'm going to just click on Edit and then just click on Virtual Network Editor, and this window pops up. So we're going to select VMnet 8 and then just click on Change Settings, and it's going to pop up with the user account control. I'm going to just click on yes. So now here we've got VMnet again. Before it was grayed out. Now you can see you can change the network adapter settings. So maybe by default you're going to have 192.168.1.1, that kind of configuration. So what you can do is you can change it to subnet IP as 10.10.1.0, as I already have done it. You need to select the VMnet 8 first, then change the IP address, and then change the subnet mask to /24 255.255.255.0, and then just click on NAT settings. Over here maybe it's going to show you as 192.168.1.2. change it to 10.10.1.2. that's our subnet, and that is going to be the default gateway of our subnet. And after doing so, you can just click on OK. And after that, you can just click on DHCP settings just to make sure that the IP address that these PCs are going to get is going to get from this specific range. So I have mentioned as 10.10.1.41 to 10.10.1.200. And when it's done, you can just click on OK. So our subnet settings is done. After doing so, you can just click on apply and then just click on OK. Now why it is done? So that whenever you install any kind of operating system in your VMware Workstation Pro, it's going to get the IP address from that specific subnet. So by default, when you install VMware Workstation Pro, you're going to get 192.168.1.0 range of IP address to your virtual machines. Now, if I'm going to do the settings like this, I have showed you. What you can see is you can get the IP address from that specific range. So to verify, I have got this Windows 11 open up, command prompt, and you can verify the IP address, IP config, and then hit enter. You can see that the IP address is 10.10.1.60. That's the IP address assigned from that specific range. So this is how you set the virtual network adapter just to make sure that you get the IP address on that specific range. So this is it in this video. Hope it was informative for you. I will see you on my next video. Thank you for watching.